Debasmita, and my today's topic is life processes, which is the first chapter of 10th syllabus of CBSE board. I guess West Bengal and ICSE do have something relevant to the same topic. So before starting the chapter, let's break down life processes and answer the simple question, what is life? But not from a philosophical point of view. That's the first thing that comes to our head, that what is life? Not that point. A biological point of view. So life starts from a cell. So the basic unit of life is cell. And what is the first differentiation that helps us distinguish between what's living, this is a dog, this is living, and what's non-living, is there is movement. A living organism has self-regulatory movement, and this is a non-living organism. It has no self-regulatory movement. It can't move on its own until and unless I choose to make it move. So, and of course there is plants. We think beforehand we thought plants were non-living organisms. Why? Because they couldn't locomote, that is movement from one point to another. They couldn't move their body, but there was movement. How? There was cellular movement, there was transportation of different minerals, starch, the storage of glucose, and then there was of course growth. And in some plants, of course, like Mimosa pudica, which is the touch me not plant, there was responsiveness. So of course it is living. But what is life? Getting back to the main question. So the basic of life, that is a cell. And I mentioned a couple of terms: transportation, storage of energy. Then there is also excretion, digestion, respiration. So these various functions are self-regulatory. That is, they are firstly interdependent. The product of one acts as the raw material of the other. Through respiration we get oxygen, and that oxygen is used in transportation, kind of like it is transported to different cells of the body, and that oxygen is used to break down food into the simplest form of carbohydrate, that is glucose. So the product of respiration that we get oxygen, which is broken down into ATP. So see, they are interdependent. Respiration doesn't just end by us intaking oxygen. It is finally completed when the oxygen is transported to the cell. So transportation starts over there and is broken down into the simplest carbohydrate, that is glucose, in the cell. So I am not answering the main question, that what is life. So there are self-regulatory, interdependent, complex processes in a cell-based medium that leads to what? Growth, maintenance, responsiveness, and the main thing, the main objective, the main aim every living organism has, that is reproduction. That is the biological point of view on life. Of course, from a philosophical point of view, that seems pretty small.